Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a really cool tool that calls itself a creative copilot. It's called Kre8.info, and it's looking to totally shake up how we make informational content. So let's jump in and see how it works. Okay, just think about this for a second. You've got an idea, a topic, just a little spark of a concept in your head. Now, what if you could take that spark and in just a few minutes have a complete animated explainer video, all done and ready to go? Sounds kind of futuristic, right? Well, that's exactly the problem this platform is built to solve. Just listen to this line for a second. Rockets are amazing machines that can travel all the way into space. So that sentence, the voice you're hearing, and all the visuals that go with it were all generated automatically by the platform we're exploring today. That's the finished product. So now let's pop the hood and see how it's all made. So, what's the engine behind all this? It's Kre8.info. The platform's creator defines it as an AI-powered infotainment platform for creating short explainer videos. And that word, infotainment, is really key here. It's all about blending information with entertainment to make learning way more engaging and accessible for everybody. So Kre8.info gives you two main ways to create content. First up is what they call effortless automatic creation. And yeah, it's designed to take you from just a simple prompt to a finished video like super fast. The automatic process is ridiculously simple. First, you enter a prompt. It can be anything from how do plants grow to the basics of rocket science. Second, the AI just goes to work. Using generative models, it creates all the assets for you: the script, the images, the voiceover, the whole shebang. And finally, you just review the completed video. It's a direct pipeline from your brain to the screen. But what if you're a bit of a control freak? You want to get your hands dirty and really tweak things. Well, that brings us to the second path, full manual control, which all happens inside their creative studio. Inside the creative studio, you're the director. You can still use the AI tools to help you out, to generate custom text, images, or audio. But here's the kicker. You can also upload your own assets, your own photos, your company's logo, specific charts, whatever you need. Then you get to stitch it all together and build a unique video that perfectly matches your vision. So this slide really lays out the two choices you have. On one side, you've got the automatic creator, which is all about speed, simplicity, and just letting the AI do all the heavy lifting. On the other side, you've got the creative studio, which is for when you want total control and customization. It really means that whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a path for you. Now, this is something that I think is a real game changer. Kre8.info isn't just a video maker. It's a whole multi-asset platform. Think about it. From that one single prompt, you don't just get a video, you get all the pieces. You get the narration as a separate audio file, you get the individual images, and you even get a fully formatted article that's ready for an e-reader. You're basically getting an entire content package, not just one output. Okay, so whenever you're trying a new creative tool, there's always a bit of a learning curve, right? To make that whole process smoother, they've built in support right inside the platform with an AI helper bot. So if you're ever stuck or you're just wondering about a specific feature, you can literally just ask the bot a direct question, like, how do I create assets with the app? It's designed to give you quick, functional answers so you're never stuck and can just focus on creating. All right, so with all these features designed for both speed and control, who is this actually for? I mean, who's the intended audience? Answering that really gets to the core of the platform's vision for the future of infotainment. And the answer is, well, a lot of different people. They're targeting a really diverse user base. For education, you've got teachers and students who can make lessons and presentations way more dynamic. For kids, it's an interactive and fun way to learn new things. And of course, for professional content creators, it's a super efficient production tool. The goal is to capture a huge market by making it easier for everyone to create quality infotainment. Ultimately, when you step back and look at it, platforms like Kre8.info are really lowering the barrier to entry for creating high-quality, engaging content. It's this fascinating mix of AI-driven speed and user-driven creativity, which really just leaves us with one final thought. Are you ready to pilot your next creation?